Why do garages always feel expensive when fixing cars? It's partly psychological. Nobody wants to spend money on something they can't see. When your car's alternator dies, you don't see an alternator, you just see a $400 bill. It feels unfair. Why do car repairs happen at the worst time? They don't actually. You just notice repairs when money or time is tight. Broken AC in January? No rush. Broken AC during a heat wave? That's immediate panic, and it suddenly feels like the car has a personal vendetta. What's the difference between getting repairs done at a dealership versus an independent garage? Dealerships charge more, partly because their labor rates are higher, and they specialize in your car's brand, but independent garages can be just as qualified. You're often paying extra for the dealership's branding and fancier coffee. What should I focus on when choosing a garage? Look for reviews and certifications. ASE certification is a big one. A garage with a cheap and quick promise can be a red flag because quick fixes often lead to long-term problems. And always trust word-of-mouth recommendations. Why do some people get scammed at garages? It's usually about a lack of knowledge. If you look lost when the mechanic explains the issue, they might take advantage of that. Learn the basics of car maintenance so you're harder to deceive. What are some common car fixing mistakes? Ignoring small issues until they become massive. Small fluid leaks can lead to overheating or engine damage. Skipping basic oil changes. You might save $50 today, but you'll pay thousands for a seized engine tomorrow. What car repair gives the most value for regular drivers? Tires. They'll impact your car's safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure monthly and replace them when tread wears down. A fresh set can literally reduce stopping distances by several feet in an emergency. Why does car repair labor feel so overpriced? You're paying for expertise and tools. Mechanics need years of training and costly equipment to diagnose problems accurately. The $80 per hour might hurt, but you're paying for someone who knows what they're doing, and that's priceless when brakes fail. Are DIY car repairs worth it? If you have the tools and patience, changing an air filter or wiper blades can save hundreds over time. But for complex issues like transmission work, forget it. Grab snacks, call the garage, and leave it to professionals. What's the deal with check engine lights? It's basically the car's way of saying something feels off. Investigate. Many times it's a loose gas cap, but it could also mean a costly catalytic converter repair. A $20 code reader can save you from unnecessary panic. Is it better to repair or replace an old car? Depends. If your car needs $2,000 in repairs and the whole thing is worth $3,000, it feels like a bad investment. But if a replacement car costs $15,000, keeping the old one running might still be the smarter math. What's the smartest way to avoid expensive repairs? Preventative maintenance. Think oil changes, brake checks, tire rotations, and fluid top-offs. Cars don't break down out of nowhere. They whisper warning signs for months. Listen early. Fix small and save big in the long run.